Look, man, it's time for you to get your shit together. You've been spending and wasting a lot of time doing nothing and doing things that are not going to pay you anything in the future. So what the fuck are you doing? There's so many opportunities out here for people to change their lives and get some fucking real money up. And you over here worried about Kim Kardashian and her fucking cupcakes. Or her relationship status. Or all these motherfuckers out here. When you need to be worried about all of this wealth that can be attained during these times. You are so confused and your ass don't know your right hand from your left hand. Focus the energy that you do have and put it towards things that are going to bring you intrinsic value. Things that are going to pay you over time. That's all I did. Rags to crypto riches. Come from nothing. And you out here. And you know what? I had all the odds against me. All of them. I got rich folk. People that are already in a higher status than I am. Picking on me, and I ain't got shit at the time. So what does that tell me? That tells me I'm a very powerful being. And I want to help make other powerful beings. I want to bring them to their true authentic selves. You know what I'm saying? And how you do that is by taking the route that I had to go through. I'm living proof that you can turn nothing into something. And if you didn't know, now you know. He's doing, Get off your ass. All you gotta do is take a little bit of money and just put it away. But no, you people want to take that money and go do the same bullshit that you've been doing. And all you're doing is creating the same experience that you've been experiencing. A brokenness. I'm not telling you nothing that I didn't do myself. I've helped people become millionaires. I've helped people change their lives. I've helped people get out of the rat race. How many of you people can say that you've made people millionaires? You're too fucking selfish. You can't say that. And then are you mad at me? Because, you know what I'm saying, I got my money up. And you thinking I'm all boastful. When I've been helping people the entire time. I've been the underdog. But now I'm trying to take the underdogs and help them turn into the big dogs. Times have changed and the energy is shifted. If you're not with the times, you're going to get with the program regardless. Because I ain't stopping. I'm like Diddy over here. Can't stop, won't stop, motherfucker. Bad boy. Okay? Yeah. That's what it is. And that's what it's going to be. So if you want to really get this money, you want to get some game, I'm the vessel that's here to help lead you to it. But I ain't going to make you do it. If you want to stay broke, stay broke. Because you're going to watch me and all my people get rich. And that's a goddamn fact. Anyways, y'all be blessed, okay? It's a beautiful day out here. I'm glowing in these streets. And I'm going to take this same glow with me everywhere else I go. So if you happen to see me in person, don't mind the shine. Don't mind it.